Train number 8 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific with the Little Horn Show. Woo! And right off the bat, we got 1, 2, 3 brand new TTX boxcars. Woo! Let's go! Train number 8 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific with the Little Horn Show. As y'all can see, I'm standing literally right next to the NOPB sign I showed y'all earlier. I actually think I might take a picture of it after this train. We got what looks like to be a... Oh my God, those brakes. Jesus. God, those brakes are loud. See, can't even talk. Okay, so we have right here, we have another brand new TTX boxcar, but man, that is the one thing I hate about trains. Like, don't get me wrong, I absolutely love trains. The only thing I hate about them is that loud squeaking. It is so loud, and I hate it. Every single time I hear it, it makes my ears ring. Got some nice graffiti. Ha! Isn't that what's his name from whatever that show is called? I think it's Futurama or something. Yeah, but I know that character. That was hilarious. I think that's the dude from Futurama, I'm not sure. If anyone sees that boxcar in person or in this YouTube video, please let me know if I was correct down in the comments. You can see the train right there as well. But this is train number 8 of today in Metairie. out here on a beautiful and very, very hot Sunday here at Central Avenue in Metairie, Louisiana. I think he's got bare tables. Or that's really low flat cars. Hey, we got... Ow! God, my ears. That white tanker right there's a Rail King. Double, triple Rail King. God. Okay, we got a flat car at the end. There's the flat car at the end of the train. There goes... Ah. Zoomed in a little too far. There goes the end of train number 8 of today in Metairie on this extremely hot Sunday evening. Hope you all enjoy.